Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It is best for the mortgage underwriter not to know that you are getting evicted. However, there are no agency guidelines that a borrower with a recent eviction cannot qualify for a home mortgage. A housing payment is either 12 months timely home mortgage or rental payment. 23 December 2020.
Take our lead.
100 points. An eviction isn't directly reported on your report. What is reported is the resulting collection for the remaining amount due. This will lower your credit score up to 100 points for 7 years, unless removed earlier.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eviction does not show up on your credit score, but it may appear on other consumer reports and make it harder for you to rent in the future. If you owe any unpaid rent or court fees, those debts can show up on your credit report and lower your credit score.
Let's help you make your mark.
If more than 7 years have passed, you can file a dispute to have the eviction removed. It's possible that a credit repair company may try to convince you to attempt to get rid of your eviction through a concept called pay for delete. 4 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
30 days. Right to 30-day window to vacate after the property sells. If the original lease includes a lease termination due to sale clause, the landlord has the right to end the lease early if the property sells. However, the tenant typically has 30 days to vacate the property in the event of a sale. 29 August 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.